One job, I wipe your slate clean. You walk out of this house a free man.
How much?
250 large.
No problem.
He's come to the other side of the world.
Is that duct tape?
To finish one last job.
I'm looking for a man. His name's Travis Walker. Brown hair, face like a weasel.
Do I know you?
I'm taking you home, Travis.
What's in Los Angeles?
Your father.
And you're not
So angry! Shut up. If only it were that simple. Apparently, he stumbled onto a trinket of some value in my jungle. Yep. I want it back. Wow.
Whatever my father is paying you, I will double it.
No.
I'll quadruple it.
No.
I'll double it and quadruple it.
Hell no.
I hope you enjoy the fall.
Now, what fall?
Let's go. Heads up. You like a little birdie up there. Caw, caw.
Shut up.
Well, you always got to hit me.
We gotta get to this tree.
Got it.
I got it.
Great.
What is it doing? Establish dominance. Establish dominance.
I want hunting parties. Find them. Find them!
I do not want to fight you. We are not fighting.
Okay, hip-hop.
Don't worry, they're little people.
What?
You can take them, they're little.
Boom, 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 boom.
You guys fight hard.
I slaughter cows.
Welcome to the jungle.
You got the moves. I'll give you that.